excited to be here. This is the first time I'm actually attending
I'm really
Zee
sorry,
Cine
I'm
Awards.
gonna boo!
No, seat number 3.
That's Cobra. And I love this whole black and gold theme and stuff like that. And I am wearing Vandana Kundar's collection and jewelry by Gana Singh. Well, I love to celebrate Holi with my friends, of course, my friends and family. Holi for me is a lot of fun. I normally don't like to get dirty, but I think Holi is one occasion where I can just let go. It's a lot of fun, unless people don't like trouble each other and they don't do nasty things to each other. Otherwise, it's a lot of fun and I enjoy Holi a lot.
Last question.
I'm not a good singer. Hello everyone, this is me Shama Sikandar wishing everybody a great Holi, safe Holi and very colourful, very loving Holi. Thank you. Bye.
So then you want to appear also? He's hosting the red carpet or Gunjan? What? Gunjan, come here. Come on, here, online.
Hi, how are you? You guys are looking lovely. I appreciate it. Thank you. यार जूते मेरे गले में टांग दो. Everybody is appreciating my shoes more than the jacket. I'm just kidding. I appreciate it. So my stylist Shal has made this suit for me, and we wanted to do something very unique. So she's given me this lovely blue jacket with the same bow tie, and I think the shoes are doing the magic. Yeah. I'm excited to host the red carpet for the biggest award night, which is Zee Cine Awards 2017.
What's your plan for
Holi
Holi?
Day, it's my brother's birthday. By the way, it's my brother Ishan's birthday, who's my lifeline. So Holi is going to be, for our family, is going to be double dhamal. So we're traveling to Goa to celebrate the same. Any song? यार एक ही favorite गाना है यार. And in fact, I urge, आज जितने भी music directors मेरे को मिलने वाले, मैं सबसे कहूँगा कि sir, please give us some more songs for Holi. But you know, the favorite all-time one is Rang Barse. So I think, चलो let's do that. 1, 2. O Rang Barse भीगे, पुनर वाली Rang Barse. आज खुश तो बात है. Yeah. So that's my favorite song. I would like to have more, Holi songs. Yeah. And to all the people who are going to be celebrating Holi, अगर किसी ने पानी इस्तेमाल किया, ऐसा नहीं आ जाएगा. ड्राई कलर से होली खेलिए.
I mean, for all of us, we all are here from Bengal industry, and I think last year also he fetched the award again. Which film is nominated? Kaptan Shivaprasad, and of course Arindam, she is a wonderful director. We have Raima Sen, Bauli, and many more to come over. So I'm doing it for everybody so that they can record it. I think it's a wonderful moment, and of course it's a national platform, and it's great that they are also introducing regional films like Bengali or Marathi or South Indians, and I think we all are nominated, we all are excited, and this is my second year to be here. I'm surely the categories are less, but I will really look forward that there will be a time when we have more categories also, so that more involvement comes. And one thing is good, that a lot of new talents who are doing wonderful job in any of these regional industries, they are also getting a platform and getting an exposure. For that, I think we all should thanks to Zee Award. This is a great moment for us. I am debuted. No.
Do they have?
Yeah, they doesn't have, but they should have. I think.
They want a solo picture of yours. Can I just request you please? Yeah, I think Koshani is performing and who else?
I don't know.
I think two of the performers they are performing. Koshani আছে আমি জানি Koshani Mukherjee আছে আর কেউ আছে কিনা জানি না and Mir and June they are the anchors.
Yes. Well, I'm hoping to have an after party with them. Yeah, it's
Ramna to
tomorrow.
party দিচ্ছে
In
তো।
fact, tomorrow Arindam's birthday, so we are looking forward to
Right now the whole party always have a party at Gundada's room, so that's where we will party.
tonight.
आज रात ही
आज रात काल जे जार बारी.
अच्छा उनकी बात करना
Well, मैं हर साल मैं शबाना आजमी के घर में मैं खेलती हूँ होली, तो इस साल भी अगर she celebrating she call me. Red. And why? I think it's vibrant and it's mysterious. It's color of love. I love red. That's my favorite color. And black is also, red is of passion. That way it's a very bold color, black. So the combination is, I love this combination actually. And since I'm representing Bengal, so I thought of wearing a sari. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Just stand here. Just stand here.
I'm very happy, very excited. Z is where it all began for me. I was the first participant of the first schedule of Saregama, first participant, first episode, and it's come full circle today. It's what, 22, 23 years since that happened. 22 years. Oh, it's fantastic. It's glamorous. I like their style. I wish they came back with that big magazine that they used to have. It was like a big one. Yeah, it's called G or Z. Yeah.
We've always been in homes, ma'am, and Rashri, we've tried all kind of films and all kind of shows, but only family has worked. Somewhere we are restricted, or maybe we know how to make only this. So this evening is very special because this is Zee Cine Awards, and Zee has done so much for my movies, all Rashri films, and today we are here with both Takshay and Sheen for Pia Albela. It's our gift to 25 years for Zee, and it's my favorite show, so that's why we are here.
It's just been 5 days, so what kind of response is that?
Really good. I am getting a really good response. So people calling me and telling me nice.
They're really happy and they're enjoying the show, which is काफी प्रोत्साहन मिल रहा है और ज़्यादा मेहनत करने के लिए.
और फैमिली की तरफ से क्या response आया? अब फाइनली जो है आपको
Exactly, like हाँ मतलब काफी महीनों से रुके थे कब आएगा and finally it's here and everyone is enjoying, सब साथ में बैठ के देख रहे हैं.
the Rishikesh plot is already on. आप लोग ऋषिकेश जा रहे हैं.
जी हाँ अभी done with shot.
Yeah, I want to make, and I'm planning, but it's going to take some time.
Can you elaborate regarding which kind of marketing? Can you tell us regarding?
It has to be family, and it has to be something which. No, nothing. I'll just like to tell everyone that Holi means a lot of color, means a lot of happiness, means a lot of family. So everyone, please go to families, go homes, play with friends, play with families, because these are the little things that really matter in life.
Thank you.
I'm very excited here to be here because, like I was saying, Zee is a great platform. It's a large platform, and to be here present at this fantastic award is an absolute pleasure. Looking forward to see who the winners are tonight. Going to be fun. One message: don't waste water and don't hurt any animals. Have fun, play a lot, throw safe colors, but don't waste water. One color I relate to during Holi, lal, 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 because it just makes you really colorful there. मेरे लाल इसलिए. Well, see, Dangal I think is going to sweep all the awards because it's a beautiful film indeed. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
I'm certainly looking forward to fantastic results and super performances. We've been hearing a lot कि performance बहुत धूम मचाने वाले हैं, and I'm ready to clap for friends.
And what about Holi? Holi की क्या special तैयारियां या?
मैं होली खेलने से बहुत शर्माती हूँ. मैं यूजुअली होली खेलती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन काफ़ी सारे दोस्त हैं जो खेलते हैं, तो मैं उनका उत्साह हमेशा बढ़ाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं खुद होली नहीं खेलती हूँ. आई फील रियली शाई टू प्ले कलर्स. थैंक यू.
अरे नहीं मेरी जान
हो गया ना?
क्या बात कर रही है, ऐसा करो.
I need to take you in audience. You're presenting for the first segment.
Okay,
So we can come back.
Okay,
How much excited regarding that?
I'm excited because my film Ventilator is being nominated here as the best film and in the category, and being nominated as best actor. And this is the first time being nominated for Zee Cine Awards, and I'm very happy because it means a lot to me as an actor. I'll say that जो भी खेलना है होली खेलो, मज़ा करो, लेकिन पानी का कम से कम इस्तेमाल करो और प्यार करो एक दूसरे से.
lot of excitement because nomination है उड़ता पंजाब के लिए for the best actor in a comic role, and after a long time the performance was so much appreciated, and thanks to Zee for noticing such a detailed performance, and Udta Punjab was one of the finest films this year. So there are a lot of nomination for Udta Punjab. I'm very happy about that, and getting a nomination for myself is a great feeling. क्या चीज़? हाँ यस, होली सबको मुबारक हो. गुलाल की होली खेलो, पानी की होली नहीं. हैप्पी होली टू एवरीवन. I'm a cinema man, film man. I'm in films. I do everything. I've done direction, acting, production, writing, everything. But I enjoy everything about films. Thank you.
Sanjay Dutt biopic comes out next year. Smoke, a web series I'm shooting for in Goa just now. There are a couple plays still going on. Life is very busy. It's nice. Good mix of both sides. One, sometimes you're just exhausted and you just want your sides 2 days in advance so you can learn them, Please give them to me. That's some days. Other days it feels good. One sec. At Zee Cine Awards? Yes. Because it's only my first film now with Neerja, so this is my mother.
So are you playing Holi this time?
I am. How come?
Gang bang or, or you might play with your friends.
Gang bang?
Your Bollywood friends.
organic colors, that whole thing. But my friends are hooking that up. I think in Bombay. Yeah, welcome. Thank you.
You know, this is my first Zee Cine Awards I'm attending, and I'm pretty excited because some wonderful films have been nominated, and awards for me is more about celebrating films. So we all gather on the same platform and we celebrate the films which get released the entire year. So we all work hard for that, and then your films get acknowledged on the Indian platform. So Zee Cine Awards is one of the biggest awards every year people look forward to, and it's my first Zee Cine Awards. And some great films have been nominated like Dangal, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, so I'm looking forward to some great performances. And I'm going inside now. Thank you.
अच्छा पूरा ड्रेस ले चाय भी लेना है। हाँ बोलिए बोलिए। नहीं दाढ़ी मैं ऐसे दाढ़ी ग्रो करके घूम रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई ओwe लॉट ऑफ पीपल मनी है, तो मैंने अपना थोड़ा लुक चेंज कर दिया। आई एम जोकिंग। भाई जी अवार्ड हमेशा लास्ट अवार्ड होता है लेकिन सबसे बेस्ट अवार्ड होता है, और आई थिंक टुनाइट मैंने सुना है गोविंदा भी परफॉर्म कर रहा है रवीना के साथ, सो आई थिंक अखियों से गोली मारे शुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग। आई थिंक जो जी अवार्ड है ये पॉपुलर अवार्ड है और ये बाकायदा वोटिंग के साथ होता है, और जी की पहुंच इतनी बड़ी है तो आई एम श्योर इट इज़ अ पॉपुलर अवार्ड और वेल डिजर्व्ड अवार्ड जिसको भी मिले। बेगम जान आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किए। हाँ क्या पता, मैं शायद बेगम की जान भी ले लूँ। होली, हैप्पी होली। हाँ हाँ मैं वैसे मैं अपने आप को आलू समझता हूँ, मैं हर चीज़ के साथ मिक्स हो जाता हूँ।
Oh, amazing! I mean, this is my first time here, but it's amazing. Holi, yeah, we are celebrating Holi with my film is releasing Mirza Juliet, और crew के साथ हमारा plan है celebrate करने के लिए, तो it's fun. हाँ मैं एक्चुअली पानी से बहुत डरता हूँ, तो ड्राई होली, सो आई थिंक हमें पानी बचाना भी चाहिए। थैंक यू। Wish you all very happy from Darshan Kumar Mirza, and my film is coming soon, Mirza Juliet. Please watch in the theatre. Thank you. Thank you.
I have a Bengali working in Bombay, so planning to do one more Hindi film. So feeling good. It's basically the feeling is same, you know. Yeah, planning to do something. I'll let you know. That is in Bengali, this is in Hindi, pan-India. Otherwise it's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm feeling great. I wish Caesar was there, but it's a great moment for us, and I think this is our first Zee Cine nomination that we've had, so hopefully it's lucky for us. Mic पे करूँ? प्लान नहीं बनाया, होपफुली अवार्ड के साथ हम लोग रंग बरसाएंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you. मैं हमेशा जो भी मूवीज़ करती हूँ कैरेक्टर जो होता है उसके ऊपर जब मेरा बिल्कुल भी दिल आ जाता है तो मैं मूवी करती हूँ। जैसे अभी बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया में मेरा एक छोटा सा गेस्ट अपीयरेंस है, लेकिन उसके लिए भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिसिएशन मिल रहा है। तो आई जस्ट वांट पीपल टू रिमेंबर द कैरेक्टर्स दैट आई प्ले। Inshallah, with leads, no leads, characters, whatever I do, I just want people to remember my work. Oh, a dream come true. I'm so excited today because Team Begum Jaan is here and we are going to introduce the first look tonight. So very excited about it. Great, feedback coming in. Today, Rubina's look, my look was revealed, so very excited. I don't play Holi. I kind of am scared of it. लेकिन पानी बहुत ज़्यादा बहता है, तो हो सके तो कम पानी बहाइए प्लीज़। थैंक यू। उस पे बेगम जान का लुक रिवील होगा, तो जो हमारी मूवी है उसकी एक हल्की सी झलक आपको देखने को मिलेगी, लेकिन आई एम श्योर कि जितनों ने भी अभी तक देखा है उन सबके रोंगटे खड़े हो गए हैं। सो या आई होप इट वर्क्स इंशाल्लाह। थैंक यू। नहीं, वो तो रिहर्सल्स में हो गया, काफ़ी फ्लैशबैक लेकिन आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग बी फन एंड एज यूजुअल जैसे चिचिया में ऑलवेज धमाल करते हैं, वी जस्ट गोना गो एंड एंजॉय आवरसेल्व्स एंड आई होप पीपल एंजॉय एज वेल। Well, stage I have been doing on and off. I've been performing, but on an award night, I don't remember. Sorry. Yeah, I wish all the viewers a very happy, safe, and rang-birangi Holi. Thank you. Yellow. Sunshine, brightness, positivity. Thank you. Well, I think those people, okay, sorry, whatever they say, please come and interview me and we'll...
Yes, thank you so much.
Hi, fine, thanks. It's always very nice, very well managed, and awards are always quite exciting. I wish everybody all the best. So don't ask me who is going to win, who is going to lose. तो कोई ना कोई जीतेगा, कोई ना कोई हारेगा, और वी आर विद ऑल ऑफ देम। होली का गाना मेरी हाल तो पहले ऐसे हो रहे हैं जैसे मैंने कोई भी अवार्ड बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, पर जी सिने अवार्ड डेफिनेटली एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड है और लोग इंतज़ार करते हैं इस अवार्ड का, तो मुझे भी इंतज़ार है, और इसको जो भी जीतता है इसका मतलब उसकी एक क्रेडिबिलिटी है। ठीक है,
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कई और मंगे जड़ से होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कई और मंगे जड़ से हैप्पी होली
Yes, my first nomination for Zee Cine Awards.
So, how are you feeling?
I'm thrilled. I'm just happy to be here. All the nominees are amazing, and my name is on that list. I'm just happy.
Where's your hometown?
My hometown, I'm from Toronto, Brampton, Ontario, which is outside Toronto. But my family, like as in, I was born in Delhi. We migrated when I was 8 months old.
So,
Grew up in Canada.
Upcoming song you are singing?
I can't say because you never know until they're out. I'm really thrilled. I had a great year with Valeria Dangal, Aidil Mushkil, Dishum, Okay Janu. So I'm happy and I'm just hoping that I have an equally or better year this year.
So Holi is coming and any song for Holi?
Any song for Holi?
Or maybe you can sing the song you're nominated for.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया ओ दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
Would you say that Bollywood has gone truly global when it is sourcing talent from way
Definitely.
out of
I'm
India?
a product of YouTube and I was discovered on YouTube by Rahman sir. So I think people are really looking outside the country, outside the city, from all across the country, but also all across the world. So I think things like YouTube and other social platforms like that are really helping artists come out.
Thanks. Can I keep your contact for an interview later?
I can give you my manager's contact.
Okay, whatever. I don't know how to whatever.
We'll help you with
Email or whatever.
Or you give her your contact.
Award 2017.
Sorry?
How much excitement you are seeing the award?
I'm very excited. This is my first awards for this season. I haven't been in India this year so far. I was traveling for a piece I was doing about dance for Discovery, which I drove through Myanmar. And then I was in the US when Lion was in the Oscars, and now I'm back because Begum Jaan is releasing its trailer on the 14th of March.
Can you tell us about your character?
My character's name is Gulabo. She's very gulabi. There's not much I can say, but I don't know if you saw the reveal of the look today. I think Gulabo is in line with all the women of the house in Begum Jaan. She's fierce, she knows what she believes in, and she goes for it. And I think that's a very important character for me to be playing in this day and age, when women are not able to speak their mind all the time, and it was International Women's Day. And I think it's very fitting that Begum Jaan is releasing around this time, and we continue to fight the bastion of equality between men and women.
So tell us about your dress.
My dress is a beautiful navy sparkly number by Gavin Miguel. Gabby from Denny has styled me, a dear friend of mine. And more importantly, I'm wearing my mum on my arm tonight. So she's just come in from Australia. So everyone say hi to my mum.
Are you from Australia?
Yes, I was born and brought up I was born in Perth and brought up in Melbourne. Hence, Lion was a really interesting film because it was about a cross-cultural sequence that happened, Dev Patel longing for his home country. And I think it was very fitting because I grew up in Australia and my journey in Bollywood has somewhat been about my longing for my country of heritage. So here I am.
Did I just hear you right? You said you were in the US for the Oscars?
I was not attending the Oscars, no, but Lion was at the Oscars, so I was there celebrating Lion.
Okay. Anything you want to share regarding Holi related?
Just have fun, guys. Be safe.
Is this your first awards show
for this year?
For this year. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Great to be here tonight. I'm looking forward to see all the performances and the nomination awards function and everything. And yeah, it's really exciting.
Is comedy a dying genre in Bollywood? We don't see. Is comedy a dying genre in Bollywood? Not too many, mainstream heroes are into comedy other than say maybe an Akshay Kumar.
I'm sorry, I didn't even come here, stand here.
I'm saying is comedy. Yeah. Is comedy not so popular in Bollywood in the sense that other than a few properties which
It
have
should be
sequence.
more. I did comedy movie. I mean, why not? I mean, comedy is fun. It's quite popular in Hollywood. It should be
Is it
more in
tougher to do?
Bollywood.
Is it tougher to do?
Yes, actually, people think that comedy is very difficult, but it's very easy, but it's not, because it's about the timing and the body language and everything. You need to make people laugh, and it's very difficult. So it takes a lot of acting. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to know that, considering the fact that these days expressing your opinion on social media has become, if people go through the scrutiny and all, what do you think about the freedom of expression on that matter?
Well, I don't know. I mean, you have to be responsible, but you're free to talk. So, I mean, we've always fought the censor or the CBFC. And for example, lipstick under my burqa, or whether it was Udta Punjab, we've always stood by. And it's great that the industry now stands together. So it's not a young person like Alankrita Srivastava, who is a new director. She's not alone, And because, what do you do to a passion of young people like her? And who will change cinema? They are the future. It's a brilliant film. It's a film about, it's so engrossing, it's so lovely, it's so lyrical. Why would you stop that? And the people are old enough, mature enough. If they don't like a film, then reject it. Film will not, harm anything in Indian society. So I think whether it's in the social media or in cinema, you have to be allowed to express your view.
Sir, in future, will you make the film in Narendra? In Narendra Modi Prime Minister, in future, will you make the film
about
on Narendra Modi, about Prime Minister?
Well, I am very excited. I have very good relations with DNA and the entire team. So I'm quite excited for them. I'm here to have a very good time with them and party the night away.
Can you tell us about your dress? You're looking beautiful.
Well, I'm wearing one of my favorite designers, Falguni and Shane Peacock. I think they make amazing creations, and I'm wearing one of from their latest collection.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Visual. Yes, bye. I'm here, yes. What are your predictions? What are your predictions for the evening? Which film do you think would be better?
I have no clue. I've only come for my husband. He's been nominated in 2 categories, so I'm pretty excited for that. He's not here. He's traveling, so I've come to cheer him if he does get.
Where is he?
He's in Kerala.
Okay.
Yeah.
On work or?
No, he's gone for some work, yeah. Sorry? I think Zee Cine Awards is very, very creditable and बहुत अच्छा है, and I hope the deserving person wins.
So Kareena is also performing.
Yes, it's pretty exciting. Yeah. She is a rock star.
What would be your comment on what we are about to see? Who all have you choreographed?
Well, every award I have to keep on trying to make it different. I can't keep the same song. It drives me crazy. I can't do Kala Chashma in 50 different ways, but we have to do it like that. and it's tough, it's challenging, but I mean that's my role as a choreographer, to do things that are new, and thank God I do things that are new, and I don't repeat the same things. So for me that's important.
And of course, the talent at your disposal this year, what would you have to say? The performers that you got?
Well, luckily Alia and Varun are my students, so I'm very excited about that. And I'm very excited about Govinda and Ravina because I love Govinda. I think he's one of the finest actors and dancers. And we have Sunny Leone. I've never choreographed her ever before. So it's going to be a great variety today.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
I'm left. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Many congratulations for Begum Jaan.
Thank you.
Want to know, Begum Jaan does relate, these two words relate to real life of yours?
Yeah, I think I am Begum and hopefully kisi ki jaan.
What are you doing in Holi?
Holi, I think it's going to be a quiet celebration में बहुत दिनों से बेगम जान को प्रमोट कर रही हूँ तो उस दिन लेट सोऊंगी. No, if I do celebrate, it'll be a small family affair. Yeah, thank you. It'll be best if I say anything after the release, but I'm very excited कि बेगम जान का 90-second promo यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं for the first time in front of a live audience. That too. Let's hope everyone loves it and then waits desperately for the 14th of April like I am. That's when the film releases.
Ma'am, 14th trailer is releasing. How curious you are?
You know, I think people are curious. I know how it looks.
Well, I think the best will win, and all the movies are good. All the movies are good, and definitely I feel कि the best है, अच्छी जी picture है, and वो जीते और Zee Cine Awards को हमेशा देखते हैं हम लोग, and we're looking forward for this lovely event tonight. Thank you.
So you're performing tonight with Ravina. How excited you are?
Ma'am, in future will you come in Bollywood anytime?
Yeah, if I get something good, I will definitely work.
One inspiration actor, actress, one inspiration actress.
I think you have lovely actresses already in Bollywood. I think you can't choose one of them.
And what about Govinda?
He's the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm as excited as my sleeves. जब नॉमिनेशन होता है तो एक्साइटमेंट, नर्वसनेस, एंजाइटी सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. So let's see what happens, and I'm very happy to be here.
What shade is that?
You know, it's a mixture of two lipsticks. I know it's one MAC something, and it's a lipstick called Sad Girl by Anastasia Beverly Hills. But I'm not sad, I'm happy.
So which came first? The shade you decided or the dress came first?
The dress came first.
मैम Zee Cine Award कितने मायने रखते हैं आपके लिए? कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है Zee Cine Award?
I think मायने रखता है, क्योंकि इस साल जब मुझे अवार्ड्स मिले बहुत सारे तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस मेरा कितना ऊपर हुआ है उससे मुझे रियलाइजेशन हुई है कि इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट
for once in a while to be acknowledged. Maybe next year if I'm not, I'll be fine. But this year, I'm very happy that I've been nominated, getting awards.
How many already in the kitty this season? How many awards already in the kitty?
Filmfare and Stardust are already in the kitty. Now let's see what happens tonight.
You can't ask for other awards.
Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you so much. Please. What's your plan for Holi?
I plan to party with myself.
Please tell us about your necklace. It's just beautiful.
This is from Amrapali and I'm very Manish
Gorgeous. And
You're going to ask me?
you always look dapper, you know. So one holy wish for the viewers.
Happy Holi for my fans and be safe.
And looking forward to an awards very soon where she is nominated and wins the trophy. I don't know how soon.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
He's presenting.
Happy Holi, happy Holi, happy Holi.
So recently you went to Bangkok.
Yeah.
So how was your experience? I
Great
mean,
experience.
the whole market was
Fantastic. The state is very, very special state. I've never been to East India, and I would love to go back again and again. It's a very special state, very special people, very special location.
And what's your plan for Holi? And please wish for Holi.
See, for me, Holi is to make mockery of my life, my pretensions, and play with colors till I lose my identity. And you know, just.
Thank you. Happy Holi. And first of all,
Thank you.
we want
For
to
Dangal.
know. Sorry. So, for Sultan.
Thank you, but I take that as well.
We want to know that you
Yeah.
have lost a lot of weight. So transformation is looking just dapper on you. And how you see the transformation? Physical transformation.
A lot of pain. A lot of pain. So I've been training for Tiger and I'm doing another film which is a dancing film. So I'm training for that right now. So from Sultan I was 96 kilos. I've almost dropped about 18, 20 kilos.
You have been rooting for the leading heroes of Bollywood. You are rooting for each other's film leading to a new chapter in Kamaradri.
Gee, I've always done that. I've always done that. The bigger the hits and the more the hits, the better for the industry.
And Holi wishes.
Thank you. Holi wishes.
Wish you all a very happy Holi. All.
Thank you so much.
I'm done. I have just about 3 days left for Agdesh and then I'm over and done.
What do you expect from the night?
Well, lots of entertainment obviously, lots of glamour, entertainment, and I'm looking forward to the awards actually. I'm really looking forward to see who wins Best Actor and Best Actress.
Any upcoming project?
Well, Holi wishes just, I wish everybody a really, really colourful Holi. I hope it's really special for everyone. And and be safe, play safely, and have a great year. Thank you.
कलर आप रिलेट करें होली के लिए और क्यों?
क्यों? लाल, because लाल is my favorite color. और लाल होली में जचता भी है. Yeah, thank you.
Can't you see we are very excited? I'm really excited to be here with my daughter, especially because I hardly attend. But since last year her film Fan released, and because of that she is very happy to be a part of this industry. She's new, she's growing, and I know she's going to go a long way.
Any tips you're giving?
Tips? Not to stress about coming to award functions. That's the tip. That's होली के लिए हमेशा यही मैसेज रहेगा, खूब एंजॉय करो लेकिन किसी को तकलीफ मत दो, पानी वेस्ट मत करो.
And one color you relate to Holi, one color you relate to Holi or why?
Yellow, because it never goes off my face. Which I love.
Color.
The color that I love. Red.
Why?
I love red because कितना भी निकालो जाता नहीं है. तो दाग अच्छे होते हैं ना, so I like red. Thank you.
Sultan and Dangal. Sultan and Dangal facing off. So, as part of Team Dangal, what would you say?
We to wish that Dangal wins. What else?
फिल्में होती है, किसी को भी मिलेगी तो अच्छा ही लगेगा.
Yeah. I think Sultan was equally
अच्छा
good.
लगेगा. But कोई भी फिल्म को मिलेगा तो अच्छा है.
Do you think those are the two biggest contenders? क्या लगता है?
पता नहीं मुझे. All films are. You know, it's very difficult for me to judge who am I. I've enjoyed these films as an audience. और मैं जो भी वहाँ क्या गा रहे हैं? छोड़ो अब मेरी बातें क्या, उनका गाने.
So, we know all the actors are very much social media friendly. So, which Snapchat filter you both have found out?
I'm not socially friendly. I am inactive on most of the social medias. अगर आप में से कोई मुझे follow करता है तो उनको पता है.
I am. My favorite Snapchat filter have to be the bee one, which is not there now, but I really love the bee filter.
I like the dog one.
Okay.
It's there, like
It's still there.
yeah, it's still there.
You can check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I am attending first time for Zee Cine Award. I am very excited because I have nomination for Sultan title track. Need your blessing, your love always.
Can you sing that song?
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारे, सात आसमां चीरे, अब सात समंदर पीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर देंगे ऐलान. कौन? सात आसमां झीले और सात समंदर पीले, चल सात सुरों में कर देंगे ऐलान. हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो बांधो, रे आज हथेली पे रख दी है जान. खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती, बीच में तेरा जुनून, रे सुल्तान. सभी को मेरी तरफ से होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
कितने अवार्ड्स लग रहा है सुल्तान को मिल सकता है आज?
बहुत अवार्ड मिलने वाले हैं आज सुल्तान को, देखते रहिए आप.
कौन सी के लिए आप खुद बेचैन हैं?
सब कुछ मिलेगा सुल्तान को. म्यूजिक में तो नहीं बोल सकता हूँ मैं, बिकॉज म्यूजिक में ए दिले मुश्किल के ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं, पर और बाकी तो सुल्तान और दंगल दोनों. डेफिनेटली इंशाल्लाह मैं जल्दी बताऊंगा आपको, इंशाल्लाह सब होगा. थैंक यू सो मच. नहीं इसको ही
Thank you so much. Can you tell us how much your excitement is?
It's always a good thing to see everybody winning. I've come here to just present an award. So I wish everyone all the best and may the real winners win. I'm wearing Falguni Shane. She's my friend, a very good designer and very international known designer. So I always very comfortable with her outfit. She always makes me look very gorgeous.
Any upcoming projects?
We started with Shubmangal Savdan. I'm co-producing it with Anand Rai. And the next is with Anand Rai again. I think it's announced. We're going to start with Shah Rukh. Yeah.
What about the Shah Rukh character?
It's a let it come, no? We are starting. He's playing a very interesting role. I don't think so he's ever played such a role. So I think I'm sure it's one of the biggest projects for us. Huh? Opposite? No, not at all. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Holi.
So how are you looking this evening tonight?
I've always come for Zee Awards. I won my first debut award for Zee in 2001. So I owe a lot to Zee Awards, and I think one of the most genuine awards. Not because I got it in 2001, but because I just like the whole Zee family, and I've worked with them through my films. My films have run on their satellite channels. Our serials and Balaji have done so well on Zee. And now I won an award for Zee twice I think, once for Golmaal also. So there's a good connection, a warm connection, an old association. मतलब मैं अभी आज तो enjoy करने आया हूँ, सबकी performances देखने आया हूँ, बस मस्ती करने आया हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत गोलमाल करने आया हूँ.
How is your baby?
He's well. He's 9 months now. He's gone to sleep at 8 o'clock.
Okay. Sorry, what did you say?
I said he just went to sleep at 8. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Happy Holi to everybody.
होली में क्या कर रहे हो? होली में what's your plan for Holi?
Nothing to play Holi with the kids.
Yeah, and what's your expecting from tonight? Like, there are nominations.
Yeah, I'm nominated in lots of songs. So
Excited. Which one is your personal favorite that you wish to be there?
I'm nominated for all Aidil Mushkil songs actually.
Yeah, so
And also Dangal, the Dangal title. So I don't know what else.
which one is more close to your heart?
Song wise? Yeah, I'm a little romantic type, so Aidil Mushkil.
So, we want क्या होली में wishes दें और होली के लिए थोड़ा कोई एक गाना हो.
होली के लिए सबको बेस्ट विशेस होली का जम के होली खेलिए और बी सेफ इन होली और होली के लिए गाना. अच्छा, होली के लिए तो गाना सबसे जो बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई. हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई. थैंक यू.
एक कलर आप रिलेट करें होली के लिए. एक कलर रिलेट करें होली के लिए. एक कलर जो आप रिलेट करें होली के लिए, जो आपका पसंदीदा कलर है होली के लिए.
होली के लिए लाल और हरा सबसे ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं. बिकॉज वो जो गुलाल होते हैं वही मेनली लाल और हरा का होता है, तो पिंक भी होता है, वही हमेशा गुलाल के साथ रिलेट करते हैं.
3 nominations, right?
No, I've got lots of nominations. I saw one card where like half of the nominations were mine.
you, brother.
How are you? I'm good. Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
There was some accident. No, not right now, in Malad. Also, not in Malad. Here.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, but my car is destroyed. Like, damaged totally. Priyan is there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Happy Holi.
Hi.
Happy
Thank you.
Holi to you
Happy
too.
Holi to you too. Yeah.
So, how you guys are going to take it?
Sorry?
What's the plan? What's the plan for Holi?
I don't know. I have to ask her because she's shooting non-stop every day.
No, I'm not shooting on Holi, so please
not?
don't blame me.
Okay.
No. I think there's no plan actually. We'll be going party hopping from one place to another, and wherever we find it the most interesting, we'll stick on there.
Impromptu जो भी होगा, plan होगा, वो करेंगे.
A lot of live performances and good-looking people, nice clothes, nice costumes, new styles. What else?
Well, यार मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है क्योंकि मैं मेरा जो लास्ट शो था जब मैं टीवी कर रहा था वो जी का था पुनर्विवाह और पुनर्विवाह की वजह से भट्ट साहब ने मुझे साइन किया और फिल्मों में आ सका तो मेरे लिए जी बहुत ही मेरे दिल के करीब है चाहे दूसरे अवार्ड मिस हो जाए लेकिन जी सिने अवार्ड कभी मिस नहीं हो सकता.
Happy Holi.
What are your predictions for the evening?
Predictions for the evening. I am absolutely sure somebody will win. No question. मैं दावे से कह सकता हूँ कि आज विनर होगा. Don't worry. The whole, huh?
No ties.
No ties.
So what's your plan for Holi?
My plan for Holi is my film is releasing Purna on 31st. So my plan for Holi is the little girl who plays Purna. She's playing Holi on the 13th. She's going to send me a video of her playing, and I'm going to put it on online for everybody to see. Thanks. You just said that. नहीं, but keep it between us. नहीं, बिल्कुल. Between us.
Hello sir.
जी.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi to you too.
Sir, I want to know शबाना जी आ रही हैं फिल्म द ब्लैक प्रिंस के साथ तो अभी हाल ही में हमने आपकी तस्वीर भी देखी थी कि सतिंदर सरताज जी भी आपसे मिले थे और उसने कुछ अपना
कौन मिले थे?
सतिंदर सरताज पंजाबी सिंगर.
अच्छा.
The movie is coming ब्लैक.
अच्छा.
So what's your question?
जी.
तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
आप कह चुकी हैं मैं इस बारे में क्या कहूँगी एक्चुअली आपने सवाल तो किया नहीं ना यू हैव मेरा स्टेटमेंट आई एग्री विद
I want to ask कि शबाना जी उसमें रानी जिंदा का किरदार निभाने जा रही हैं तो आप कैसे देखते हैं उनके किरदार?
तो शबाना जी
रानी जिंदा का किरदार उस फिल्म में निभाने जा रही है. The Black Prince.
Speak louder.
The Black Prince I'm talking about.
Yeah. That's a very interesting story. And it's about a very important person. He was a son of Maharaja Dalip Singh and had a very, very interesting life. How he was brought up by Queen Victoria. So it's a very interesting. Shabana is playing his mother. Yeah.
Thank you. Sir. You host one of the most popular.
आपको कुछ अंदाजा नहीं यहाँ कितना शोर हो रहा है.
You host one of the most popular Holi parties in Bombay. So
Yeah, day after tomorrow. Come and join us at Janki Kutir. Okay? You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
होली के दिन देंगे आइए वहाँ आप पे रंग भी डालेंगे शुभकामनाएं भी देंगे.
एक कलर जो रिलेट करे आप एक कलर होली के लिए एक कलर आप जो आपको अच्छा लगता है.
एक कलर की होली होती नहीं दोस्त.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This one.
How are you going?
are you going to, play this Holi?
No, I just said that I'm not going to play Holi this year because I have a film to start in 25 days from now. I don't want to, get injured or get a rash or something, And plus, I think I'm old enough to understand that we are wasting a lot of water. So, yeah, that's what.
एक कलर आप सेलेक्ट करें होली के लिए। एक कलर आप सेलेक्ट करें।
जो गुलाल का कलर होता है।
Why?
हाँ? Why? Because it's the special. It's the main color, yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Happy Holi.
Yeah. So what's your Holi plan?
No, just I'm going to be with my family in Punjab, yeah, and just want to spend. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hi. So this is the time when exams are going on. So क्या आप अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं?
बिल्कुल पढ़ाता हूँ. Especially Hindi, Marathi. All those are my department.
Alright. तो मतलब कितने strict father रहते हैं teaching के मामले में?
मैं strict नहीं, disciplined हूँ. लेकिन सिखाने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. I really enjoy myself.
Alright. And it's Holi time, तो आप
Holi time, तो yeah, we'll play Holi. I don't play as much as I used to play. थोड़ा सा it can get a bit too drastic these days. So, but I'll have some fun.
And you are having a pet also at your home. So
I'm having a
pet at your home.
yeah, Zain. Zain's his name.
तो उसकी सेफ्टी के लिए कितना ध्यान रखेंगे? Because होली के colors and जिनके घर pets होंगे इसमें.
No, he goes after his master. I keep myself safe, he keeps himself safe.
Thank you.
Sir. Madam,
shorts, you just want shorts?
Yes. आप लोग आइए ना। आप दोनों आइए। आप दोनों आइए।
चलो बोलिए। ये हो रहा है।
सर, हाउ मच आज आप अवार्ड से नवाजा गया आपको? कितने एक्साइटमेंट है अवार्ड मिला?
पहले या बाद में?
पहले अवार्ड के बाद में।
मतलब ये बाद का है या पहले का? ये पहले का है। हाँ, तो हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है. अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है. सैराट को नॉमिनेशन है तो अच्छा लग रहा है. हिंदी सिने अवार्ड्स में हमें, जी सिने अवार्ड्स में हमें नॉमिनेशन है.
फिल्म को बहुत सराहाया गया है, नॉट ओनली रीजनल लेवल, नेशनल लेवल में भी सराहाया गया है.
करेक्ट.
बहुत जनों की क्रिटिक्स के भी बहुत सारे. तो आगे क्या हो सकता है फिल्म में? अगर फ्यूचर अगर सैराट 2 आ सकती है?
अभी तो कुछ सोचा नहीं और मैं 2 के बारे में कभी सोचता ही नहीं हूँ. सैराट जो है वही है, पता नहीं.
क्या नेशनल अवार्ड जीत पाएगी?
ऑलरेडी जीत चुकी है एक्टर्स के लिए पिछले साल, पता नहीं. थैंक यू. चला जा.
आमिर
अपन एपिसोड के अब तेरा काम भी ये रुक जा, मेरा काम भी ये रुक जा, तो दोनों नहीं कर सकते तो दोनों का हल बनाते हैं एडिटिंग करते दोनों, ठीक है।
हैप्पी होली। अब मम्मी बन गई है, हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या आप तैमूर के लिए शॉपिंग खुद से करना स्टार्ट किए, नैपीज खरीदे हो, अभी तक कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ?
Well, I think I'm a normal mom, so whatever he's obviously pooping in his diapers, so yes, of course, I've shopped for diapers.
Right. And how are you looking tonight? You know you're performing, so kaisa?
Yeah, very excited to be performing and giving a tribute to all my favorite actors, the four Khans. So I'm very excited about it.
Lastly, Holi wish for the year.
Happy Holi and be safe.
Thank you so much.
आप लोग प्लीज बैठ जाइए, सीट सीट। थैंक यू मैम। पीछे जाओ, पीछे जाओ, अरे पीछे जाओ, पीछे जाओ।
Thank you. Hi. So, what's your plan for Holi?
Well, lots. At the moment, I'm so busy with Indian Idol. We're all gearing up to declare the Indian Idol, which is going to be a very tense and stress-filled moment because all the singers are very good. Apart from that, I'm looking forward to spending the Holi day, which is the one day I'm getting off with my wife and kids and a lot of friends, and obviously enjoying good food, lots of color, and singing my song. Of course, do me a favor, let's play Holi. She was waiting for it. Rango mein hai pyar ki boli. So let me say, have a happy Holi, a colorful Holi, a safe Holi, and yes, respect women.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What is the
Ma'am, how much your excitement is in your award?
How excited are we about the awards? Very excited about the awards. Always it is exciting because it's lovely to meet everybody from the industry and get all dressed up and come and smile and clap for everybody. Thank you. I'm wearing an Abujani Sandeep Khosla sari. As I say, a sari with a twist, so it's interesting and I love what I'm wearing. So. Play safe, save water. I'm not a holy person. I really don't enjoy it too much, but yes, I like the mithai. You too. Holy person.
Sure.
How much your excitement is in your award?
Very excited, sir. Like I said over there, I'm looking forward to some great performances. फिलहाल Student of the Year 2 and Baghi 2. That's it.
And Holi is coming. You want to tell all of your friends?
Yes, I'd like to wish everybody, all the viewers, all of you out there, a happy Holi and safe Holi, and please don't waste too much water. Thank you.
So they want to visuals together.
क्या चाहिए?
Just a picture, just a picture.
Yeah, that's right.
Hello. I'm so excited. I can hear the music. I feel like dancing.
What are your holy plans?
Nothing for now. Let's hope. I'm a very boring person, so I never make plans. I hope someone drags me to play Holi. Wish everyone a very happy Holi. Be safe and have lots of fun. Thank you.
You're looking beautiful. Can you tell us about the dress related?
So basically, I'm styled by Bakshi, and she's the one behind all my outfits. And yeah, I usually go for gowns, but this time I was like, okay, let's try something different. And I usually like wearing like something simple. So this is my first like blingy and like shiny outfit. So yeah.
Any upcoming projects?
Nothing signed yet, but I'll be taking it soon. Thank you.
Hi Anushka, you're looking gorgeous and देखो हमें कैसे खड़ा हुआ है। देखो हमें कैसे खड़ा हुआ है हमारे कैमरामैन ने। ऐसे ओके, आपके स्नैपचैट फिल्टर्स के जबरदस्त हीरो क्यूट फिल्टर्स से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। और फ्रॉम पंजाब, हम पंजाब से जलंधर से आए हैं, तो पंजाबी ऑडियंस जानना चाहती है कि फिलौरी की प्रमोशन पंजाब में कब होगी?
होनी तो चाहिए। अभी हम लोग का प्रॉपर लाइक फाइनल प्लान नहीं बना है, so soon we'll be able to decide and see how we take it forward.
Okay, तो पंजाबी ऑडियंस के लिए पंजाब में एक मैसेज होता है फिलौरी के लिए।
फिलौरी के लिए कौन से कैमरे में?
हाँ जी।
कौन से कैमरे में देखते हैं? कहीं पे भी? सारी पंजाबी ऑडियंस को मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि 24 मार्च को फिलौरी रिलीज़ हो रही है और आपको आना चाहिए देखने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है और आपको मज़ा आएगा। और उसमें आप सबके चहीदे दिलजीत दोसांझ हैं, मैं हूँ, सो प्लीज़ कम एंड एंजॉय द फिल्म। थैंक यू।
Second, can you please? Yeah. Hello sir. I know that you love Netflix film.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब मैं देता हूँ उन्हें, तो मुझे खुद भी अच्छा लगता है। अब मेरा ये समय है जब मैं उनको दूँ, और देने में जो मुझे खुशी होती है वो शायद लेने में नहीं।
Thank you.
अरे क्या हो गया वरुण आलिया इधर ही नहीं आ रहे? मैम सेंटर। सॉरी।
भेजते हैं।
मैं ला रहा हूँ। ला रहा हूँ। मैम वन पिक्चर।
I'm so excited about performing, and Zee Cine Awards has given me so much love. I'll be hosting a segment with Barkley on television and also performing, so I'm so excited and very, very happy.
Alright, and as you started learning bit of Hindi, did you started learning Hindi?
आप मेरे साथ हिंदी नहीं बोलते, so मैं इंग्लिश ही बोलूँगी ना। अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलते तो मैं भी इंग्लिश ही बोलूँगी।
Okay, तो देखने ने बोलना शुरू किया हिंदी आपके साथ?
किसने?
Did Daniel started speaking Hindi?
हाँ, क्या हो रहा है कि डैनियल थोड़ा सा हिंदी समझते हैं और आंसर भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा शर्माते भी हैं क्योंकि he doesn't speak it every day. So
मैडम होली आने जा रहा है, होली is coming. What do you want to say to your all fans?
To everybody out there, happy Holi, be safe, and don't do anything crazy.
One color you related to Holi. One color.
I think it's every color of the rainbow.
Thank you.
Ram Gopal Verma.
No, sorry. I'm so sorry about that. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हमेशा आ गई ना।